Hey guys, some of you are going to ask me when we show you how to do this perpetual calendar tonight in the live, how this cube goes together if you want to use the music box, because the original file is not going to contain it. It will contain the extra cube with the hole in it in case you do want to use one, but it's just a music button. You can find these in the doll sections at your craft stores. I think I got this one on clearance for 50 cents. They are encased in a little plastic, I don't know what, vinyl pack. And I cut it out for this. If you were putting it in a doll or a stuffed animal, something of that sort, you'd want to leave it in that package. But I cut it out of there. And I cut a hole in one of the cubes, and this will be an extra cube in the file in case you want to use that. But all I did was use some glue lines, and I put one on each side of that circle there. There's a little, I don't know if you can see it. I just wanted to make sure this worked before I show you. But these two little pieces here keep it where you can press down on it. And that's where I put those glue lines, one on each side. And just for a little extra insurance, I'm putting a piece of tape, and I'm running that across one way and then across the other, just for some added protection in case somebody presses it really hard. You don't want them to push it through. It doesn't require a lot of effort. You can just barely touch it and it will sound. So you don't need a whole lot, but just in case, I wanted to shoot that before I put this cube together so that you guys could see how this one went before I close it up, because this is going to be my demo, and I'm not going to, on the live, do all of these and put all these panels on there. I'm just going to show you how to put the cubes together. So, you guys have a wonderful day. Give a thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.